In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under sole proprietorship. Alright, so guys, we are going to focus on the subtopic advantages, disadvantages, meaning and importance of sole proprietorship. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, one of the major problems of sole proprietor is sourcing for real food, funds, labor, raw materials. The right answer is option B, funds. Next question is one. It says a business whose owners enjoy loan facilities on the basis of personal goodwill is a real thrift society. We have corporate society, we have commercial bank, community bank. So the right answer is option B, cooperative society. Okay, next question is this one. It says the disadvantages of sole proprietorship include or except problem of capital, no corporate taxes, inability to retain professionals, highly competitive. So the exception is no corporate taxes. Okay, next question is one. It says entrepreneurship mainly involves, so it's obvious risk taking, option D. Next question. One of the disadvantages of sole proprietorship is we are grants from government, it lacks specialization, it requires more operations, it involves more capital. So the right answer is option B, lacks specialization. Next question is one. It says in order to increase the capital owned, a sole trader may draw less of his profit for personal use, acquire structural fittings on credit, seek bank loan, issue debentures. The right answer is option A, draw less of his profit for personal use. Okay, next question is one. It says sole enterprise may flourish best in a retailing business, a car assembly business, a mining business, an oil exploration business. The right answer is option A, retailing business. Okay, next question is one. It says one of the disadvantages of sole proprietorship is real secrecy of annual reports, pride of ownership, unlimited liability, limited liability. The right answer is option C, unlimited liability. Next question is one. It says public corporation set up by the government, option A. Next question. The main advantage of a sole trader is the freedom to reapply all the profit back into the business, seek advice from anyone, employ anyone you like, take quick decisions. The right answer is option D, take quick decisions. Next question. This one, it says one of the major problems of sole proprietor is sourcing for, so this repeated question is option C, funds. Next question is one. It says in order to increase the capital owned, the sole proprietor may, this is also a repeated question. The right answer is option C, draw less of his profit for personal use. Last question for end this video, this one. The disadvantage of sole proprietorship include or except, is also a repeated question. The exception is option C, no corporate taxes. So guys, this is basically can be problems involving sole proprietorship for your JAMB commerce practice with 13 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. If you for what I learned from the video, if you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and ensure to give you a response. So ensure the part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, getting premium information to help you to sense exams like the JAMB and other exams will be writing. Okay, so having known this, click next above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.